Hello students, we have already started colligative properties. Colligative properties are those properties of solution which depends upon number of solute particles present in solution and not the nature of solute particles. Examples were lowering of vapor pressure, then elevation of boiling point, depression in freezing point and osmotic pressure. Today we are discussing third example, that is freezing point depression. Freezing point of a liquid is the temperature at which liquid and solids are in equilibrium and the two phases have same vapor pressure. Before that, we should consider one example. When ice is added into salt or salt is added into ice, then freezing point of ice can be depressed up to minus 21 degrees Celsius. We know that ice cold water in which ice cream is stored, that temperature is below the freezing point of ice. We know that freezing point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius, and that freezing mixture of ice and salt, the temperature of that mixture is minus 79 degrees Celsius. So nearly 21 degrees Celsius can be depressed by adding a non-volatile solute like sodium chloride. म्हणजेच आपण उन्हाळ्यामध्ये पाहतो की जे कुल्फीवाले असतात त्यांच्याकडे एक असं म्हणजे बॉक्स असतो, थर्मोकॉलचा बॉक्स, त्यामध्ये फ्रीजिंग मिक्सचर असते, म्हणजे बर्फ आणि मिठाचं मिश्रण, गोठण मिश्रण, आणि ते मीठ टाकल्यामुळे त्या बर्फाचं तापमान जवळपास minus 21 डिग्री सेल्सिअस पर्यंत कमी करता येते आणि त्यामध्ये सहज ते आईस्क्रीम किंवा त्या कुल्फ्या बऱ्याच वेळापर्यंत राहू शकतात. तर त्याला आपण गोठण मिश्रण म्हणतो. तर ते बर्फामध्ये मीठ टाकल्यामुळे त्या मिश्रणाचं जे तापमान आहे ते बर्फाच्या तापमानापेक्षा पण खाली गेलेलं असते आणि हे जे कमी झालेलं तापमान यालाच आपण डिप्रेशन ऑफ फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट म्हणतो. म्हणजेच the difference between temperature of pure solvent and solution. So freezing point of a liquid is the temperature at which liquid and solid are in equilibrium and the two phases have the same vapor pressure. See here again, freezing point of liquid is the temperature at which liquid and solid are in equilibrium and the two phases have the same vapor pressure. When a non-volatile solute is added into solvent, then it becomes solution. So the freezing point of solution will lower than pure solvent. We have already discussed example of sodium chloride and ice, that temperature of freezing mixture can be depressed up to minus 21 degrees Celsius. So the difference between that pure solvent, which is ice, and that freezing mixture, means solution, is called depression of freezing point. The difference between the freezing point of pure solvent and that of solution is the depression in freezing point. So depression in freezing point can be denoted by delta Tf is equal to T0F minus Tf, where T0F is the freezing point of pure solvent and Tf is freezing point of solution. Now we are discussing freezing point depression as a consequence of vapor pressure lowering. So the effect of dissolution of a non-volatile solute into solvent on freezing point of solvent. To understand this concept, let us compare vapor pressure of solvent and here solute. So in this diagram, here graph is plotted between temperature and vapor pressure. Here AB is curve. AB is vapor pressure curve of solid solvent. This AB curve is vapor pressure curve of solid solvent. Then CD, which is second curve of liquid solvent, and third curve EF is curve of solution. So this curve AB and curve CD, curve AB and curve CD, these two curves intersect at point B. This curve AB and curve CD intersect at point B. Here solid and liquid are in equilibrium. Here solid and liquid are in equilibrium. Here solid does not dissolve in solvent. Here solid does not dissolve in solvent. For example, that salt does not dissolve in ice, like that. So these two curves intersect at point B. So point B is the intersection of curve AB and curve CD. The temperature correspond to this point B is T0 F, which is freezing point of pure solvent. Now consider this point E. Point E is the intersection of curve AB and curve EF. Point E is the intersection of curve AB and curve EF. These two curves intersect at point E. Point E is the intersection of these two curves. The temperature corresponds to point E, that is TF. TF is freezing point of solution. TF is freezing point of solution. So temperature correspond to point E is TF, which is freezing point of solution. So at freezing point of a pure liquid, the attractive force among molecules are large enough to cause the change of phase from liquid to solid. So at a freezing point, a pure liquid, the attractive force among the molecules are large enough to cause the change in phase from liquid to solid. And in a solution, solvent molecules are separated from each other due to solute molecules. The separation of solvent molecules in the solution is more than pure solvent. Therefore, the attractive force in solvent decreases, so temperature of solution is lowered below the freezing point of solvent to cause phase change. So in this way, there is depression of freezing point. Means freezing point of pure solvent can be lowered by adding a non-volatile solute, and that difference between freezing point of pure solvent and solution is called depression of freezing point. So here vapor pressure of pure solvent is always greater than vapor pressure of solution, and freezing point of pure solvent is also greater than freezing point of solution. So thank you.